Ready to get your first credit card but not sure which one? You're not alone. There are so many options, and picking the wrong card can cost you money. Today, I'll walk you through the best first credit cards for beginners in the US. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. If you're new to credit cards, or nervous about choosing one, this video is for you. I'll explain which cards are beginner-friendly and why they're good choices. Let's dive in. Tip 1. Start with a secured credit card. If you're brand new with no credit history, a secured credit card is often easiest to qualify for. Here's how it works. You put down a security deposit, usually $200 to $300. That becomes your credit limit. Use the card responsibly, and your credit score will grow. You'll eventually qualify for a regular card and get your deposit back. Stick around, the next type earns rewards. Tip 2, look for no annual fee. Your first card should not cost money just to have it. Many beginner-friendly cards charge no annual fee. That means you can build credit without paying just to hold the card. No fees equals more money stays in your pocket. Tip 3, consider simple reward cards. Some cards give cash back on groceries or gas. Even 1 to 2% back adds up over time. You don't need big bonuses or complex reward systems as a beginner. Simple cash back is easier to earn and understand. Tip 4, choose cards with easy approval. As a beginner, pick cards made for people with limited credit history. These often have lower minimum credit score requirements, fewer strict income rules, tools to help track your credit building. Ease of approval helps you get started faster. Tip 5, use a card that reports to all credit bureaus. This one matters a lot. Not all cards help your credit score. Make sure the card reports to all 3 credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. This way, responsible use actually builds your credit. Stick around, this bonus tip could save you money. Bonus tip, set up autopay for full balance. Always aim to pay your full balance every month. This avoids interest and builds credit fast. Autopay makes sure you never miss a payment. One late payment can hurt your credit score more than you think. Your first credit card sets the stage for your financial future. Choose wisely, use it responsibly, and watch your credit score grow. Which card are you considering? Drop the name in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video, 5 credit card mistakes that ruin your credit score.